have a design dilemma. It seems as if we all at one point in time have had that awkward space in your home that you just don't know what to do with. Welcome to my awkward hallway.
My word is bond, we don't spit no lies.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sidney Nicole Brooks, and this channel is all about healing heart and home, where together we help each other heal our hearts so we can build our home. And that is through intentional conversations and home decor. So it's been a while since we've talked about home decor, and this hallway that I have, I'm staring it down right now. It goes into my bathroom and the other side leads into my bedroom, and it's very small, very cramped. It is dark. The ceiling is not it looks like the ceiling of a medical office because it's quite literally made out of that same material. It is uninspiring. I've tried different things in that space, but I am looking to do a total revamp. So let's talk about it. Let's do some things. And this is part 1 of my mini hallway makeover. So let's do a deep dive into my mind and figure out what the overall aesthetic, the vibe I'm going for. Because just because this is a small, tight, cramped space does not mean we can't make it intentional and inviting and even make it a part of our apartment that we look at as one of our favorites. The goal here is to have every inch of our home feel warm and feel like us in a way. We want to see our personalities reflected, and for me, my husband and I and our baby little boy, we're bold, we're a little feisty, we are sure, and we're fun. So let's make that hallway look and mirror our personalities. So now let's sit down, let's get cozy and talk about the feel, the vibe of what I'm going for this hallway transformation. I did not find a lot of photos that were of hallways, only one that I could draw inspiration from. So it's all really coming off the dome. However, there are elements in each of these photos that I enjoy, and let's dive into this first one. This is a hallway. I do enjoy how the brass against that dark colored wall, I think it may be black. I love that dimension. It gives it visual interest and it really makes the painting underneath pop. I am thinking of adding paintings or photos, portraits, we'll see, to my wall, and this gives me an idea of the dark wallpaper with brass elements, how that will look. I also like the rustic stool here, and I have one myself that is in my bathroom, but I temporarily put it out into the hallway thinking it would completely get it cluttered and even more cramped. However, I liked that look a lot. It did not add or take away rather too much of this walking space in the hallway, and it gave a lot of visual interest to a boring blank white wall. So we'll see if we'll incorporate that still again in this redesign. Next up are wall sconces. I know for sure I want very nice mood lighting. I love at night when you have that sultry warm light going, no overhead lights. It is chef kiss amazing. It makes me feel like I'm in a spa or a hotel. These are so beautiful. I love the unique curve to it. It is that maybe wabi-sabi or japandi, is that it? Style, but I love how unique they are. Along with this wall sconce, absolutely stunning. And then this one as well, which is more modern. However, I like the shape. It gives it a lot of dimension. Next up, okay, this is a photo of a theater, a home theater. However, look at the elements. That's what we're focusing on. They have wall sconces on the wall. There are elements of brown and black and white photos. I have black and white photos behind me. I'm really into that look, especially with us having our son. Maybe printing out some of the hospital photos in black and white, something to that nature is really nice to me. I really enjoy the overall feel of this photo. I think we need a rug to ground the area. And since this is a high traffic area because it connects the bathroom to the bedroom, when we get out of the bathroom, we might be dripping, you know, hair, water. Anyways, we might be having excess water on our bodies. And so I didn't want something that I could not wash, but I don't want it to look like a bathroom rug. This rug might actually be it for us. I really like it in the neutral light brown. I was looking at the dark brown option, however, I think this is nice. I think we can work with this for sure. Now that we know the direction I want to go in, let's talk about the item. It's really only one item that I have to achieve that look. This. I told you about this wallpaper during my last Amazon must-have videos for Prime Day. If you have not seen that video, you should check it out. This wallpaper has a metallic design on a black base. From what I've seen online, this wallpaper packs a punch, and I'm really excited to see it up on the wall. I mean, I hope it's not too busy. I hope I like it, but the only way to know that is if we install it. So let's go do that. Okay, so this is the space we are working with. As you can see, it is quite tight. I can't even put all my arms out. I can't even stretch out my arms. Right now, I just have this red painting that I painted right here on the side, honestly, because I did not know where to put it. I do like the painting, however, it does not go with anything else in my color scheme. I don't know what to do with this painting, quite honestly, but I don't want to give it up. And right here is this hideous rusted light that came with the apartment. I'm thinking of hiring someone on TaskRabbit to come and just install a prettier light for us in this hallway. It doesn't even give that much light. Let's see. It's so dark. This hallway is very dark. Even right here is a little bit of a wall before you go into the living area. I just have this blank canvas that I'm going to paint right here, but I don't even love this right here. This painting is actually covering up our box right here, and there's a fire alarm above it. It's just not cute. Oh, I don't like this space at all. When you have your entire home kind of figured out, I mean, of course, there are a lot of upgrades that I still want to do to this apartment, but for the most part, I got most things decorated, right? And then you have this space. It's no bueno. So I really want to get this space under control. Also to note that in this hallway, we do have our linen cabinets here. This one actually needs to clean out because it's not closing currently. But I need to figure out if I'm going to paint this to complement the wallpaper this, or leave it as is. So we'll figure that out once we put the wallpaper up.
On a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected by building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually,
so this is our stopping point for today. Thank you so much for tuning in to our miniature hallway makeover. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for part 2 coming very, very soon. And as always, much love, Sidney. Okay. Ciao.